Do you ever wake up feeling heavy, sluggish, or just off, like your body is holding on to something it doesn't need? What if the secret to lasting weight loss ain't another diet, but what you do in the first 20 minutes of your morning? Let me show you how a few peaceful, natural morning rituals can gently wake up your body and slowly melt the weight away, one sunrise at a time. Good morning, friend. If you're watching this, maybe you're looking for a fresh start, not a perfect routine, not a strict diet, but something real, something kind, something that helps you feel light and free in your own body again. And if that's you, I'm so glad you're here. Because sometimes the simplest changes make the biggest difference. And there is no better time to begin than in the morning, when your body is waking up, when your mind is clear, and when the day is full of possibility. Today, I'm sharing a few gentle morning rituals, simple things you can do right after waking up to help your body naturally detox, improve digestion, and begin burning fat more efficiently. You don't need pills, powders, or expensive equipment. Just a little awareness and a little love. Let's start with the first ritual. Ritual number 1. Start with warm lemon water before coffee, before checking your phone. Before anything else, drink a glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon. I know it sounds simple, but this one habit can truly change your mornings and your body. Why? Because during the night, your body is already detoxing. It's working quietly while you sleep, processing, filtering, clearing. And when you wake up, it is like your system is waiting for a signal that says, "Let's keep going." That's where the lemon water comes in. It gently stimulates your digestion, hydrates your cells, reduces morning bloating, and helps flush out toxins that have been building overnight. Here's how to make it. Heat 1 cup of water until it's warm, not hot. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Stir, and drink it slowly, mindfully. Let this be your first moment of the day that's just for you. While you sip, don't rush. Let your body know, I'm choosing something good today. Ritual number 2, deep breathing in fresh air after your lemon water. Step outside or stand by a window and take 3 to 5 minutes to simply breathe. Yes, just breathe. In through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then out slowly through your mouth. As you do this, imagine your breath sweeping through your body, waking up your organs, oxygenating your cells, calming your nervous system. You'd be surprised how many people start their day in a rush, shallow breathing, tight shoulders, holding stress before the day even begins. But when you start with deep, intentional breaths, your body switches from fight or flight into rest and restore. And that's the state where fat burning and healing naturally happen. Bonus: early morning oxygen can also stimulate your lymphatic system. Your body has internal drainage and detox network. Even better. And if you can add some gentle stretching or light movement while you breathe. Smooth transition tip. And now that your body's awake, hydrated, and calm, let us add a little nourishment to that clean slate, something that feeds your metabolism and keeps you full without weighing you down. Ritual number 3. Light, fiber-rich breakfast. You don't need a giant breakfast. But skipping it entirely? That often leads to cravings later and more snacking than your body actually needs. Instead, choose something light, simple, and fiber-rich, like a small bowl of oats with chia seeds and cinnamon, a green smoothie with spinach, half a banana, an almond milk, or a slice of whole grain toast with a smear of almond butter and sliced strawberries. Why fiber? And when your digestion flows better, your body lets go of what it doesn't need, including stored fat and water weight. Because fiber doesn't just keep you full, it helps remove waste from your body. It's like a natural broom for your digestive system. Keep your portions gentle. Enough to feel satisfied, not stuffed. Let your body ease into the day. Emotional check-in now. Let's pause for a second. We live in a world of quick fixes, 7-day challenges, and magic drinks. Because I know it's tempting to want fast results. You might be thinking, okay, but will this make me lose weight fast? And I get it. They set the tone for how you treat that home all day long. But your body isn't a project. It's a home. And your mornings? So instead of asking, how fast will this work? Try asking, how does this make me feel? Because when you feel lighter, calmer, and more in tune with your body, that's when the real transformation begins. You've hydrated, you've breathed, you've fueled your body with something clean and light. Now let's build on that calm foundation, because your morning isn't just about what you do it's about how you do it. Let us keep the momentum going with a few more rituals that gently unlock your body's ability to detox, digest, and release fat. Ritual number 4, morning walk or light movement. This one might sound obvious, but don't scroll past it just yet, because we're not talking about a sweaty, heart-pounding workout. We're talking about a simple walk. 10, maybe 15 minutes. Nothing intense, just movement. It could be a walk around your block, a stretch session on your balcony, dancing softly in your kitchen while you tidy up, or even pacing barefoot in your living room while listening to music or a podcast. Why does this matter? Because morning movement helps your body shift from storing mode to burning mode. It gets your blood flowing, your lymphatic system moving, and signals your metabolism that it's time to wake up and work. Here's the secret. Fat burning doesn't start with intensity. It starts with consistency. And when you make light movement a part of your morning routine, even just for 10 minutes, it teaches your body to stay in motion, instead of sitting still and shutting down. Plus, you'll feel better mentally. And that matters too. Gentle transition. Now, once you've moved your body just a little, there's a beautiful opportunity waiting for you to reset your mind and remove one of the biggest toxins we carry every day, mental clutter. Ritual number 5, a quiet moment for mind clarity. Stress is one of the sneakiest causes of weight gain. It messes with your hormones, increases cravings, slows digestion, and holds on to belly fat like a shield. But here's something you might not hear enough. You can let it go just a little every morning. All it takes is a few minutes. Close your eyes. Put one hand on your belly, the other on your heart, and ask yourself, what do I need today? Burns fat more efficiently and feels more aligned with the choices it makes throughout the day. You can do this while sipping your tea. No pressure to be productive. You can write it down in a journal. Or you can simply sit with your thoughts. This one act of stillness resets your emotional state, and a calm body digests better. Try this for just 2 to 3 minutes. Wrap the ritual with something warm and nourishing, a herbal tea that works with your body, not against it. You'll be amazed how powerful it feels. Ritual number 6, herbal morning tea. Now that your mind is clear and your breath is deeper. A few favorites for gentle detox and fat burning. Ginger tea stimulates digestion and improves circulation. Dandelion tea supports liver detox and reduces water retention. Peppermint tea calms the digestive tract and helps reduce stress cravings. Fennel tea reduces bloating and supports hormonal balance, or blend them. You can brew any of these alone. No sugar needed, maybe just a squeeze of lemon or a slice of fresh root if you like. Sip slowly. Let the warmth settle in your belly, and let this moment become a small act of self-respect. This is how you start your day with intention. This is how you keep the promise you made to yourself when you woke up. Real talk check-in. It's okay if it's not perfect now. Before we go further, let's have a real moment. You might be thinking, these rituals sound nice, but I'm not a morning person. Or maybe, I've tried routines before, and I never stick with them. And I want to tell you this, it's okay. You don't need to do all 6 things every single morning. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Even if you only do one of these rituals tomorrow, just one, you're already creating momentum. And that's how change begins. Not with pressure, not with shame, but with one small act of love for your body that says, I'm here for you. Optional bonus ritual: room temperature water with chia and lemon. If you want something a little extra to sip after your walk or during your quiet moment, try this. 1 cup of room temperature water, half a lemon. Squeezed 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This little drink is rich in fiber, keeps you full, hydrates you, and helps with digestion all at once. It's simple, natural, and easy to take on the go if you're busy. By now, you've created something powerful, not a diet, not a rule book, but a morning rhythm that gently says, I'm taking care of myself today. But here's where many people slip up, not because they don't care, but because life gets in the way. Schedules, kids, work, stress. Mornings get rushed. Habits get skipped. So in this part, we'll talk about how to make these detox rituals practical, sustainable, and something that works for you, not the other way around. Let's begin with something many people ask. Ritual number 7. Mindful timing of your first meal. We've all heard the phrase, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But here's a little secret. That's not true for everyone. What's more important than when you eat is how your body feels when you do. After your morning detox rituals, hydration, breathing, tea, movement, your digestion is gently awakening. You've created space inside. So instead of rushing to eat out of habit, take a moment to ask yourself, am I truly hungry? Or just eating because it's time? Sometimes your body will ask for food. Other times, it might feel light and energized without it for a while. That's okay. If you do feel hungry, go for a breakfast that supports your detox, not one that slows it down. Here are a few options. A bowl of warm oats with cinnamon and blueberries, a green smoothie with spinach, banana chia, and almond milk, a soft-boiled egg with avocado toast on whole grain bread, Greek yogurt with flax seeds and honey. These options give you fiber, good fats, and gentle protein without heavy sugars or processed carbs. They support your body in staying light and energized through the morning, instead of crashing later. Foods to avoid in the early morning. Even the best rituals can be undone if we feed our bodies the wrong fuel right after. Try to avoid these foods in the first few hours of your day, especially if you're aiming to lose belly fat and support digestion. Sugary cereals or pastries spike your blood sugar and lead to cravings. Fruit juices, even the healthy ones, often contain too much sugar and too little fiber. Heavy fried foods stress the liver and slow down metabolism. Creamy, high-calorie coffees filled with hidden sugars and fats. Instead of asking, is this healthy? Ask, will this make me feel light, calm, and clear in 30 minutes? If the answer is yes, go for it. If not, maybe pause. Ritual number 8. Sunshine for 10 minutes. This might be the most underrated detox ritual of all. Every morning, step outside or just sit by a window and let sunlight hit your skin, your eyes, your spirit. Just 10 minutes. Why? Because natural sunlight does more than lift your mood. It helps reset your circadian rhythm, increase serotonin levels, support vitamin D production, signal to your body, it's daytime, let's burn, not store. You don't need a beach. Just a balcony, a doorstep, or a window will do. Let it be a quiet golden moment. Sip your tea. Close your eyes. Breathe it in. Bonus ritual: uplifting audio while you move. If you're someone who struggles with motivation, this simple habit can change how your entire day unfolds. While walking, stretching, or making your tea, play something uplifting. It could be a short motivational podcast, a calming playlist, an audiobook that inspires you, even a voice that reminds you you are doing enough, because weight loss isn't just physical, it's mental. And if your first thoughts of the day are stressful, rushed, or negative, your body will reflect that tension. But if you feed your mind what it needs in the morning, your body follows. Real talk moment. How to stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do all 8 rituals every day. You don't even need to do them in the same order. What you need is consistency with flexibility. That means doing what you can, when you can, beating yourself up when you skip a day, coming back the next morning and trying again, letting these rituals feel like a gift, not a chore, because the moment they become pressure, they lose their power. If you're having a rough week, just go back to one ritual, maybe lemon water or a walk or sitting in the sun. Let that one thing anchor you. Then build back from there gently, patiently. Gentle summary so far. Let's take a breath and remember what we've built together so far. Your morning detox flow can look like this. 1. Warm lemon water. 2. Deep breathing or fresh air. 3. Light movement. 4. A calm, fiber-rich breakfast. 5. Herbal tea. 6. A few minutes of stillness or journaling. 7. Sunlight. 8. Uplifting audio. It's not a checklist. It's a rhythm. And every day, you get to choose how it sounds. You've made it here, and that says something. It means you care. It means you're ready. Not for a perfect routine, not for a crash diet, but for something that feels right, something that honors your body, your energy, and your season of life. Let's bring everything together now into one simple, peaceful, and powerful rhythm. Your 20-minute morning detox flow. No pressure, no perfection, just presence. Here's what a gentle, real-life morning detox routine might look like. Minute 0 to 2. Wake up slowly and stretch in bed. Feel your body. Roll your shoulders. Breathe. Smile at the fact that you're here. Minute 3 to 6. Drink warm lemon water. You can prepare this the night before. Take a moment to sip slowly. Feel it nourish your system. Minute 7 to 10. Open a window or step outside and breathe deeply. 5 slow inhales, 5 slow exhales. Let the light hit your face. Let your body wake up fully. Minute 11 to 15. Light movement. Walk around the room. Stretch your arms and spine. Maybe a slow-paced walk outside or around your home. Minute 16 to 18. Herbal tea or chia water. Sip something warm and calming. No caffeine if you don't need it. Let your stomach stay soft and light. Minute 19 to 20. Set your intention. 1 minute of stillness. One gentle thought for the day. I am caring for myself. I'm giving my body what it needs, not what the world tells me it should want. If you have more time, great. If not, this is enough. Even if your routine is just 5 minutes, even if all you do is breathe and drink water, that's still a ritual. Because the power isn't in how much you do. It's in how you do it. When you know what your body needs and respond with kindness, you will see results come gently and sustainably. Summary of the topic: water and weight loss. Drinking water at the right times helps your body burn fat naturally, reduce hunger, and support digestion. Combining water with fruits and herbs gives you a gentle, healthy detox. Listening to your body's signals and treating water as a caring friend helps you stay balanced every day. Avoid common mistakes that turn water into something counterproductive. Most importantly, keep this habit consistent without pressure. If today's tips were helpful, don't hesitate. Tap like so I know you're with me. Save this video for easy reference later. And share it with a friend who's also on a gentle, natural weight loss journey like you. Starting today, even just 1 glass of water at the right time, your body will thank you for it. Thank you for listening, and may you feel lighter, stronger, and happier each day.